US President Donald Trump has announced the first set of Japanese investments under the US-Japan Trade and Investment Deal.
Well, the initial projects, worth about $36 billion, focus on energy, liquefied natural gas, LNG, and critical minerals. This marks the first tranche of a much larger $550 billion commitment from Japan. The announcement comes weeks before Japan's Prime Minister Sanae Takaichi meets Trump in Washington in March.
The projects include a major natural gas-fired power plant in Portsmouth, Ohio, a liquefied natural gas export terminal in Texas, and a critical minerals processing facility in Georgia. Well, Trump cast the investment as part of a strategy to revitalize America's industrial base and reduce dependence on foreign suppliers, particularly in energy and strategic minerals, while creating jobs and supporting U.S. energy exports.
The investments stem from the US-Japan trade agreement, inked in mid-2025. Under the arrangement, the United States agreed to reduce reciprocal tariffs, including levies affecting Japanese auto exports, to around 15%, down from the earlier threatened 25%.
In return, Japan pledged up to $550 billion in strategic investments across sectors such as energy, semiconductors, critical minerals, pharma, and advanced manufacturing. While details on financing structures and timelines are still emerging, reports suggest that more project announcements are expected in the coming months.
Last week, Trump advisor Howard Lutnick met with Japanese Trade Minister in Washington to finalize the first tranche of investment projects. Projects were selected by Trump with inputs from his investment committee and Japanese officials.
Akazawa said that projects will focus on safe, steady returns rather than high-risk ventures. He said last year that only a small portion of up to 2% of the $550 billion fund will be direct cash investments, with most coming through loans and guarantees.
The Japan Bank for International Cooperation and Nippon Export and Investment Insurance will play key roles in financing.